Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up prescription auto refill with UnitedHealthcare, pharmacy guide step by step clearly. To set up prescription auto refill with UnitedHealthcare, start by visiting the UnitedHealthcare website. Log into your member account using your username and password. If you do not have an account, click on the option to register as a new user. Once logged in, navigate to the pharmacy section of your member dashboard. Look for the option labeled Manage Prescriptions or Prescription Services. Select the prescription you wish to enroll in auto refill. Check if your prescription is eligible for auto refill. If eligible, click on the Enroll in Auto Refills option. You may be prompted to confirm your choice. Proceed by selecting Yes or Confirm. Choose your preferred method for receiving refill reminders, such as email or text message. Ensure your contact information is up to date to avoid any issues with notifications. After confirming all settings, click Save to activate your auto refill. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that your auto refill is successfully set up. If you have multiple prescriptions, repeat the steps for each one you want to enroll. For any questions or assistance, consider contacting UnitedHealthcare's customer support. Keep an eye on your email or messages for notifications about upcoming refills. It's important to monitor your inventory and request adjustments if necessary. By setting up auto refill, you can ensure that you never miss a dose of your medication. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.